These glasses make it possible to see the detailed interior of an engine. Here you can see the wires of an aircraft. This is the shortest train in the world, which can be found in Japan. Cats have an incredible reaction time of 20 to 70 milliseconds. Watch the cat dodge this snake. More luck than brains, the driver was not hurt.
This here's the rubber duck. You got a copy on me, pig.
A self-leveling pool table on a cruise ship. NVIDIA published an AI to keep eye contact with other people, even if you are not actually looking into the camera. It can be useful for online meetings. I introduce you to battle carts. This guy drills his guitar, creating really nice sounds. The movements of this fishing lure appear very realistic underwater. Pizza Hut is attempting to create the largest pizza yet. It is supposed to be 14,000 square feet, which is roughly 68,000 slices of pizza.
What's 1 trillion to the 10th power?
1 trillion raised to the 10th power is 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,0
Oh, stop it.
Always
Oh
on their
my
phones.
God.
Always on their phones.
Bioluminescent water is magical. I hope you guys enjoyed in this video. See you in the next one.